Welcome. Managing marketing data from multiple platforms can quickly become complicated. That's where Supermetrics comes in. Supermetrics helps businesses and marketers automatically pull data from various sources like advertising platforms, analytics tools, and social media into reporting tools such as spreadsheets and dashboards. With the right data integration setup, you can save time, reduce manual work, and gain clearer insights into your marketing performance. Let's get started. How to use Supermetrics for seamless data integration. Whether you are pulling data from Google Analytics or more, Supermetrics has got you covered. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly talk about what Supermetrics is and why it is so powerful. Supermetrics is a data integration tool designed to help you collect marketing, analytics, and other performance data across different platforms in one place. You can connect Supermetrics to data sources like Google Ads, Facebook, YouTube, Google Analytics, and even non-traditional sources like MailChimp, Shopify, and more. Alright, first things first. To get started with Supermetrics, you need an account. Let's head to the Supermetrics website and sign up. Head over to supermetrics.com if you don't have an account yet. Click on Start Free Trial at the top right. Supermetrics offers a 14-day free trial, so you can explore all its features before committing to a subscription. Once you've created an account and logged in, you will be brought to your dashboard, which is where the magic happens. Now that you are logged in, let's talk about integrations. One of the key benefits of using Supermetrics is its ability to connect with a wide range of platforms, making it incredibly versatile. For any business or marketer, you can integrate data from tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Ads, Google Ads, YouTube, MailChimp, Shopify, and many more. Supermetrics supports over 70 platforms, allowing you to pull data from virtually any source you are using. The first step in the integration process is selecting the data source you want to connect with. Once you choose your platform, Supermetrics will guide you through a quick authentication process, ensuring that your data is securely linked and ready to be pulled into your reports or dashboards. On the left side of your dashboard, you will see an option called Data Sources. Click on it, and you will get a list of available platforms. For example, let us say we want to pull data from Google Analytics. Select Google Analytics from the list of data sources. After selecting your platform, the next step is to authenticate your account, which is essential so that Supermetrics can securely access and pull your data. This process is straightforward and quick. You will typically be prompted to log in to the selected platform, such as your Google Analytics or Facebook Ads account, and grant Supermetrics the necessary permissions. This ensures that Supermetrics can retrieve the specific data you need without any issues. It is a one-time setup, and once authenticated, Supermetrics will have continuous access to your data, allowing you to automate reports and pull real-time updates without needing to log in every time. Once you've selected Google Analytics, a prompt will appear asking you to sign in with your Google account. Enter your credentials and grant Supermetrics permission to access your data. Make sure you allow all necessary permissions so that Supermetrics can retrieve the data you need. One of the coolest parts of using Supermetrics is the level of customization it offers. Instead of just pulling in a bunch of generic data, you get to handpick the exact metrics and dimensions that matter most for your analysis. Whether you are tracking website traffic, ad performance, or sales conversions, Supermetrics lets you choose specific data points like sessions, clicks, impressions, conversion rates, and more. Now, let's move on to the Select Data screen. You will see options for various metrics like sessions, page views, bounce rate, and more. You can also select dimensions, such as date, traffic source, or landing page. This helps you tailor your report based on exactly what you need. Pro tip: take your time here. If you need specific insights for campaigns or segments, don't hesitate to explore the available options. You can always customize the data later. Next up, we need to decide where we are sending this data. Supermetrics allows you to push your data into various destinations, such as Google Sheets, Excel, Google Data Studio, or even directly to a data warehouse. Let us select Google Sheets for this tutorial. Click on the Add Destination button, and then choose Google Sheets from the options. Supermetrics will prompt you to sign in to your Google account again to allow access. Now it is time to set up your report and customize how you want the data to appear in your chosen destination. You will see a new window pop up where you can select your Google Sheets document or create a new one. From there, use the range of cells where you want the data to be placed. You can also specify how often you want the data to be updated. Supermetrics can refresh the data on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis, depending on your needs. Automation is one of the most powerful features of Supermetrics. You can set up automatic data pools so you don't have to manually refresh the data every time you need an update. To automate the reports, simply go to the Schedule section and select the frequency at which you want the data to be refreshed. For instance, if you choose daily, Supermetrics will automatically pull new data from Google Analytics every day and update your Google Sheets. For those of you who are into data visualization, Supermetrics has a neat integration with Google Data Studio. Once you have connected your data source to Google Sheets, you can use Google Data Studio to create beautiful interactive dashboards. Just go to Google Data Studio. Click on Create and select Data Source. Choose Google Sheets as your data source and select the sheet where you just imported your data. From there, you can start building your custom reports using charts, tables, and graphs. All right, we have just covered Google Analytics, but Supermetrics also integrates with a ton of other platforms, like Facebook Ads, Google Ads, MailChimp, and more. The process is similar. Select the data source, authenticate, choose the data, set your destination, and customize your report. Let us say you are pulling your data from Facebook Ads. Select Facebook Ads. Log in and authenticate. Then, just like before, select the metrics and dimensions you want. Set your destination, Google Sheets, Data Studio, etc., and schedule the refresh. Now, if you want to get a bit more advanced with Supermetrics, you can make use of Custom Queries feature, which allows you to fine-tune your data pools and apply filters. In the Custom Queries section, you can write your own queries to extract specific subsets of data or apply advanced filters to analyze the information in a more granular way. Thank you for watching this Supermetrics tutorial. By automating data collection and integration, tools like Supermetrics make it easier to analyze performance, build reports, and make smarter marketing decisions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on analytics tools, marketing software, and business productivity platforms. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.